Hello YouTubers and TFL fan guys, truck guys. My name is Kenny Brooks and I live in Redmond, Oregon. This is my 1967 Jeep Gladiator flatbed. My wife and I got this we wanted something to tow behind the motorhome, and so we could explore when we got to places we wanted to go. As you can see in the background, I have a Ford Escape 4x4. Can't tow them 4 down. I also have an F-150. Can't put it in neutral and tow it 4 down. Besides, ain't it cool? It's a 1967 and it grew up on a farm in Hood River, Oregon. It's got 67,500 some miles on it. It's got pretty straight body, just surface rust. The floorboards are solid. Good emblems, J3000. It's got a 327. I've put a new radiator and water pump in it recently and cleaned it up a little bit. 327 Vigilante, 2-barrel carb. Let's see, it's got just put a new alternator and a battery voltage regulator and starter solenoid on it. And also, you should always put one of them overflow bottles on it as well. The hubs for the 4-wheel drive on this are pretty different. Don't know if you've seen any of them. You push in and turn the little arrow to the inside and on both ends, and it locks in. I'm running the Falcon ATs, Wild Peak ATs. I got a little toolbox here. I keep tire chains in and a jack, a strap, my lug wrench. Come in pretty handy. I got some sound insulation down there on the floor all the way up to the back window. And this is the cab. There's a radio delete. It has a 4-speed manual. Those are great cup holders, those Craftsman magnets. And they also serve to hold the glove box door shut. If you can tell, I can find a fix for that. Of course, it needs door panels, knobs and everything to work. But as far as I love or hate my truck, man, I don't hate nothing about this. I hate my lack of money to really fix the things I need to fix yet. But it's a great little truck. Let me go around and fire it up for you. It has a single muffler with single tailpipe. This is a 327. That crossover pipe off the front cylinder goes over to the other side, crosses in front of the engine. Fairly different. Let's see. Make sure it's in neutral and always waving at everybody. We are friendly out here. I put new blinker lights in the front of it. I'm looking to buy a good tow bar to put on there so I can tow it behind the motorhome. And I'm not sure whether to clear coat that and leave the patina. I was kind of thinking about doing it the same color as that green on the motorhome, just because of its intended purpose. So anyway, there it is, folks. my little 67 Jeep Gladiator. They are little too. Thanks for watching.